Hi, I am Shivani Agrawal and you are watching my YouTube Expression Students Club. This video is dedicated for the students of CCS University second year for BA BCom and for general awareness. I am starting with Unit 5th Consumer Protection Act. This is a very important unit of general awareness. So let us start without wasting much of your time. And the first question that I have chosen is Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1986. So Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1986. Additionally, it was replaced in 2019 by Consumer Protection Bill. So it was Consumer Protection Act that was enacted in 1986 and replaced in 2019 by Consumer Protection Bill. It is also known as COPRA. Means if the question is asked what is the full form, what does COPRA stand for? So COPRA stands for Consumer Protection Act. And the next question that I have selected is, when is National Consumers Day celebrated? National Consumers Day is celebrated on 24th of December. MRP stands for Maximum Retail Price. MRP stands for Maximum Retail Price. To move ahead, our next question is, Consumer Protection Act is significant to immovable goods, movable goods, particular goods and services, or all goods and services. So the option D is the correct option. Consumer Protection Act is significant to all goods and services. Next question, how many rights does a consumer have under the Consumer Protection Act? So consumer have 6 rights in Consumer Protection Act. Moving ahead, our next question is, under the Consumer Protection Act, the rights of a consumer do not include to be presented. Under the Consumer Protection Act, the rights of a consumer do not include to be presented. Moving ahead to next question, when the seller manipulates the price, it is known as, when the seller manipulates the price, it is known as, and the option are right option is restricted trade practices. So when the seller is manipulated the prices of some good or product, it is known as restricted trade practices. Next question is, under this act, under a Consumer Protection Act, the minimum age of forum member of district forum should be 35. So minimum age of the forum member of district forum is 35, while maximum age for forum member of district forum is 67 years. Next question is, in which forum it is compulsory to have a female member? So National Commission, State Commission, District Commission, all of the above. So all of the above is the right option, and in all the in National Commission there is mandatory to be having one female member. In State Commission also there is mandatory to be having one female member, and in District Commission also it is compulsory to have a female member. Next question is, within how many days the opposite party has to answer after they are informed about the complaint? So within 30 days they are given the time to answer the to clarify their aspect within 30 days. Next question is, the consumer has the right to get compensation against unfair trade practices under right to seek redressal. Right to seek redressal. Moving ahead to our next question is, which one of these is the standardized mark on jewelry? So standardized mark on jewelry is hallmark. Next one is, which are made to hear complaint of the value less than 5 lakhs. Means the cases value worth less than 5 lakhs are to be listened in consumer forum at district level. Consumer forum at district level. Our next question is, which of the following is not an organization working for consumer protection? So the right option is the Bureau of Indian Standard is not working for consumer rights or consumer protection, while this Bureau of Indian Standard decides the standards for goods and services, and rest of the bodies means consumer voice, consumer forum, consumer utility and trust societies are the bodies which are working for consumer protection. Moving ahead to our last question is, what is the nature of the Consumer Protection Act 1986? So the nature of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 is, right option is C, compensation. So this was the video. I assure you that there must be 3 to 5 questions maybe asked from the video watched by you. So please keep on watching the Student Club, and if you like the video, kindly hit a like to my video, kindly subscribe the channel. Happy learning. Bye bye.